Hello guys! As some of you might know, at least if you have followed my channel, I have this favorite tool, knife, scissor, toothpick. Today I found a new one. Look at this awesome piece! Let's unbox it and take a closer look. Wow, this is really nice. If it's I don't know if it's possible to open it. Yes. Here we go. And here we have it, guys. The Leatherman Style CS scissor, like this one, and it has a knife, also like this one. It's about the same size as well, and it has a screwdriver, which also this one has, like this, and a file, and the last piece of kit equipment is this one, a small tweezer, and you have this which can open beer cans. You can clip it on to the whatever you like. So this one was my old favorite tool. Now it will be this one. Excellent, eh? Here it is, the big brother and the smaller brother. This is the Leatherman Skeletool and tiny Style CS. Looks identical, but of course it's a big difference, as you have these pliers, screwdrivers, bigger knives, etc. on this one, with a lock on the blade. This one has no lock, so this one you have to be careful with, because it could snap over your fingers. But it's a cute little guy, fits nicely in your pocket. This is definitely larger and heavier. Yeah. That's all for this time, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching again.